Hello and welcome to this short video. My name is Manuel, and in this video I will show you how you can install a trading robot into the cTrader application. For this you need two things. First thing is you need to have the cTrader desktop application installed, and you need a robot. Our robot is AlmaFX, and today I will install the version 2.05 into my cTrader application to use it for later trades. To do this, you don't need to copy the file into like thousands of different folders and configure some properties like a metatrader. No, you just open your cTrader application. In my case, this one is branded by your broker, so it might look a bit different in your case. Now that the cTrader platform is open, we need to go into the correct menu. On the left-hand side, you will have a trade menu, which is this one, but we want to look into the automate menu. So just go and select automate on the left. Once this menu is opened, you will see all of your different installed robots. In my case, I have earlier versions of our robot, AlmaFX, and today I will install version 2.05. To do this, I will go into my download folder or in the folder where I have stored the robot file, which comes as a .algo file. So whenever you get a cTrader robot, it will look like this. The ending is .algo. So as I said, it's a super easy installation. So you just double click, and then once it's installed successfully, you will get this prompt here, say OK, and you're done. That's it. Now you can start using your robot. If you want to see how to use the robot, how to apply an application set, how to configure it, how to maybe solve a problem, just have a look on the next video. If you want to try the robot, just follow us on Instagram and message us. We will help you and we'll tell you how you can use the robot. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe. See you with the next one. Bye.